Here at 8 Perin Pl Kitchener, you'll find that life slows down and becomes very peaceful while being close to every imaginable amenity.
This fantastic 4-level side split is ready with an in-law suite backing onto green space, access for the family fun.
I'm Helen from Helen's team.
And I'm Jeff Sheppard.
And we're here to tour you through this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. Designed for family living, flexibility, and room to grow.
Originally built in 1978 with solid wood construction, thoughtfully updated, newer windows, roof, and an upgraded electrical service.
This carpet-free home offers a comfortable main floor living area with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a formal living room, a dining room, and a welcoming family room, all with hardwood floors. The main floor kitchen has newer cabinetry, a stone backsplash, and offers a peaceful view of the green space from the kitchen window.
Wake up in the primary suite with forced views and enjoy the double closets and access to the main bath with double sinks.
The finished lower level with separate entrance features a full in-law suite with a bright walkout providing excellent space for extended family. The kitchen was installed in 2023 with gorgeous shaker cabinets, undermount lighting, quartz countertops, and a modern backsplash. I live in a home with an in-law suite, and my favorite thing about this house is the triple wide driveway, no tandem shuffle.
And for me, this backyard can't be beat. You have 2 levels of entertaining space, you back onto green space. What an awesome place to spend your evenings.
And the best part is, this house isn't mine, and it should be yours.